Hi friends! Today I saw roller skateboarding. Would you like to watch? Then come and do the puzzle with me. Let's go. Okay. Number 1. We need 4 quarters. This, and this. Corners number 1. Oh, I see, friends. I see corners, but I don't know where is he placed. Place for this corner, this, or this. Okay. Where is number 1? Not. It's not right. Okay, where is number 2? Yes, it is good, friends. It's right. Corners number 2. I see corners. Corners first, please. This? Not plate for you. This? Not. It's not right. And we're in number 3. Yes, it's right. Cool. I like it. Corners number 3. Where is corners? I see corners, but I don't know where is your place. I think so. This. Oh no, it is not right. Okay. This. Ta-da! Oh yeah. Where is corners number 4? This? Not? It is not corners. Yes, friends, I see corners, and I think so. This is peach puzzles. This. Yes. Look, it's right. Perfect. Look, friends, we did it. Now we have 4 corners. Oh yeah. And now we need fur line. All peach puzzles with one side line. This, and this. It is not, and it is not. This is 2 peach puzzles for in the center. Yes. Okay. Now we need peach puzzles with line this. These peach puzzles? No, it's not right. This? I think so. Yes. Oh, cool. And now we need peach puzzle this. Oh no, it is not right. Oh, I was wrong. Oh, friends, I see. Rolly, hello. I think so. This, yes, it's right. Hello, Bingo. Hello, Rolly. Look, it is skateboarding. Yes, interesting. What are you doing? What are they doing? Okay. Now we need 2 peach puzzles with line this. I see 1 peach puzzles and 2. Okay. These peach puzzles, these are these. I think so. This. Yes, look, it is right. Amazing. And these peach puzzles are these. Yes, and yes. Now we need 2 peach puzzles behind this. Yeah, I see 1 peach puzzle and 2. These peach puzzles with little peach rolling. Oh, bingo. You see this? And I think so. These speech puzzles need this. Yes, it is placed for this speech puzzle. Cool. We did it. And this speech puzzles this. Yes! Woo! Friends, it's amazing, great, and super wow. And we have we did it. Now we have all peach puzzles with line. Yes, and only 2 peach puzzles for center. Yeah, yes, in the center. And I think so. These peach puzzles, maybe this. Oh no. Or this. Yes, look. Very interesting. We're doing this is cat. Okay. Let's see. Hey, pop! What?
I'm awake.
Wow. Interesting. Thank you, friends, for your help. And we did it. Great job. Please subscribe and like this video and see you soon. Bye.